Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sang Mau lalu me kejinglang jengka kenun menteri haka arp kendai terik urisau ar hajar arpusan. Bar hagne kejinglang ke sorkar kel ajing Mynjur ban penbet berhenti lani ban rationalise yagi skul SSA ha kejela. Habai kiran bikinong patai kubor hadian belawai kejinglang menteri sorkar uba wailat miki shela ulong badang shen kino hikai SSA kle kendo yu menteri rang ba kejela. Bad yu menteri ketenat puli putih bandawa ban rationalise sigi skul SSA bad ban penteri kam temai ke rukom siu tulap ikino hikai bad kejingelang hapdeng kino hikai bad ke sorkar lai menjur ban penbet renti bad ban penteri kam temai no rukom siu tulap ikino hikai SSA kumta ka kenun menteri kala menjur ban sedang ban le akan kam ban rationalise sigi skul SSA bad ban sedang penteri kam rukom siu tulap temai yakino hikai SSA ha kejela.
Recently, the teachers have met our Honorable Chief Minister and the Education Minister. They have agreed to have a new pay structure. So they have already agreed on that, and also at the same time they have agreed for the rationalization. So today we from the government, so we have approved principally have approved that to start the rationalization process.
So what will be the financial implication regarding this?
No, as of now, because the department is still working on that. I cannot give you the exact figure right now.